With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In a microscope, the magnified image is formed at 25 centimeter from the eyepiece. The focal length of objective is given here 1 centimeter, and if microspore is 20 centimeter, then you have to find out the focal length of the eyepiece, right? So if you see here, it is given that the objective is having a focal length of 1 centimeter. So I will write here is equals to 1 centimeter, and now the magnified image is forming at a distance of 25 centimeters. So capital D is equals to 25 centimeter I will write, and the length is 20 centimeter. So if I write here the formula, the magnification is equals to L upon focal length of the objective into 1 plus distance of the image upon focal length of the eyepiece. Magnification is equals to length, that is 20, and focal length of objective is 1 plus D is 25 by this. So if you see here, this will become 5 is equals to 1 plus 25 by this. So if you further solve it, then you will get 25 by Fe is equals to 4. So from here you will get the Fe is equals to 25 by 4, that is 6.25, and this will be your answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.